it's time to practice. Your order of operation skills is the last thing before you finish level 2 for your level 2 formative. So the way this works is you are trying to break out digitally from this plug-in away activity. So what you will do is for this very first problem, you're going to use the number 16 and put it in the box, and that will be the number you use to solve this expression or to simplify this expression. What you'll do is you will use your recording sheet in your packet to show your work for that. Whatever answer you get, you're going to put in here. So if you have the incorrect answer, for example, 52, if I try and say that's it, it's going to tell me try again. So you can only put the exact right answer in order to move on. That's why it's a breakout. So you have to make sure you are getting the answer correctly. Whatever answer you get from this problem, that is what you will put into the next problem. So for example, if the answer was 20, that's going to go in the box on the next problem. So make sure you're writing down your answer and you know it very clearly, because once you move on, it's not going to allow you to go back and see. So make sure you're using that recording page so you know what the answer should be. Once you break out, you'll get a message that tells you to come get a signature and possibly some prize of some sort that you might get for breaking out. So good luck. You can do it. Go ahead and start plugging away.